In this video, I will show you how to play with friends in chess.com. So simply open up chess.com. Here in the home screen, you can see Find Friends. Simply click on it. Now you can search up your contacts. You can search up your Facebook friends. You can invite friends via email. Or what you can do is simply click on Send Challenge Link. You can even search up by their name if you already have added friends here. But since you don't, simply click on Send Challenge Link. Now set up a time limit or the type of chess that you want to play. After that, turn on or turn off this rated game toggle. Choose the type, whether you want to play standard or chess 960. After that, click on Send Challenge Link. Now text it to a friend or send it to a friend with whom you want to play. After that, the friend will click on the link, accept your invite, and the game will start. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.